Well, good morning. We're having a swarm right now, of all things. Wonder where she's gonna go to. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're coming out. Oh my goodness. Here she comes. Oh my gosh. Get to watch a swarm happen. Just wonder where she went. Oh my gosh, I gotta go get my bee suit. Alright, I got my bee suit on now. At least I won't get my face stung. Here's a swarm coming. Wonder where and she's coming out. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Catching it live. The whole sky is full of bees. Trying to figure out where she went. Has she come out yet? And how did I know? I was working on the asparagus patch. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but we have a swarm trying to figure out where she's going. I hope they're not going way up there. Oh, I think they're gonna go back to the same. All right. Looks like they're gonna go over here. Wonder if she's gonna. All right, we're getting a congregation of them right here. This is where I got that one swarm from. This is a big swarm. Wow. See, they're going. I got scout bees looking at this hole. I hope they're not going in there. Let me look. I don't think no, there's not a hole in there. We're good. They're just looking at stuff. All right. I think she's out because it's getting smaller now. Yep, she's come out, so wonder where they're gonna congregate. I'm watching. They've went somewhere. Trying to follow them. Oh, where is she? I think she's in here. Yep, they're all landing. Everywhere they're landing. She's here somewhere. Where are you, girl? Oh, she's here someplace. Where are you, girl? Nope, they're not over here where they swarmed before. I thought maybe to go there. They're going here. She's somewhere on this tree. Come on, girl. Where are you? Just don't go way up, please. I'm in the middle of them all. She's in here somewhere. I don't think they're going way up. Yeah, they're the main amount of them. She's in here. There's so many bees right here. It's crazy. Go, girl. Get out of here. Oh, there. Oh, I thought I seen her. All right, once she lands in here, they're gonna clump. See if we can find her. Oh my gosh. Where is she? Come on, girl, land somewhere so they can all gather together. This is crazy. Looks like the box swarm. She's right here somewhere. She's gotta be. When are they gonna find her and start clumping around her? All right. They're all landing on these leaves. I mean, she's here somewhere. This is nuts. Once they find her, they'll start going to her. Look at all this. Oh, she's here somewhere. This is for sure right in here. Come on, nature. Yeah. They're all coming in here, trying to gather, trying to locate her. I mean, they are everywhere. This is a big swarm. I'm gonna call Joe. Yeah, this is going to be too big a swarm for a nook. All right, here's the rest of it. Now she's in here. She landed on this old dead cherry tree. I'd say she's in the Y of it right there. I'm going to have a heck of a time. I'm going to have to go over to Joe's. It's all the way down the whole tree. So I was right, they went in here, so let me go I need to get stuff to capture her with. Alrighty, I'm getting ready to do this. As you can see, there's a lot of bees in here. All the way down here. I'm gonna have to try to get them in one box.